I actually don't see the wind.
Oh, documentary on the storm. It should be very, very, very brewy out there. Very windy. It's what time is it? Look over there. What time?
11:25.
11:25.
My legs are prickly.
Thank you. It's 11:25 at night, and we are documenting. Research on the tropical storm. Tropical storm Logan Schultz.
It's not raining yet. But it's very, very dark.
Shall we swim?
Yes.
Shall we go swim right now? Let's go outside. Let's go see our documentary outside.
All right.
Let's bring it outside. We gotta talk funny. We're doing a documentary on the storm.
Apparently we're all drunk.
No! We got to go to the documentary on the storm. On the storm.
What documentary?
Oh, I'm scared I'm not gonna see the stairs. Documentary on the...
Documentary?
What documentary? On Tropical Storm Logan Schultz. What we are seeing here is a lot of darkness and a motorcycle.
That's a motorcycle.
You can't really see it though.
That's my motorcycle. I read it like... Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's see what is out here. There is a pool. You can't see anything.
There's dirt in the pool.
Whoa! Too bad we can't see anything because it's dark. Oh man! Let's plug in the lights that aren't there.
Hello, you're dumb. There's no outlet.
Oh, poop.
Well, there is dirt in the pool.
Although you can't see it, it is quite...
Symbolizing the wind movements from the east.
There's lots of leaves and
really-
bugs in the pool right now.
Your accent changed.
I was about to say that. I went from like Australian to like Brazilian. Let's go look at this pink flamingo in the yard.
Flamingo. It's
We should-
migrated here.
We need to...
Bad choice.
We need to bring you inside. Can we evacuate you? Oh, darn! The flamingo flew away. What are we going to do now?
We're preparing for the storm. This is step A.
We're going to
Find your cover.
put the cover on the motorcycle. I forgot to cover the seats.
You're dumb.
I'm sorry, I only
No
have...
buttock stores.
Oh, lots of winds! Lots of winds!
The tree moved.
Oh, I'm scared! Why are you scaring me?
That tree didn't get far away from the house.
I'm scared!
There's some strong wind.
We are outside! If you can tell by the lights, the bicycles of
Recycling.
something is in the jacuzzi!
That's
Oh
really
no!
gross. No one drinks Miller Lite at my house.
That's gross! I don't know what those are!
That's a...
Oh, look at the trees! Do you see the wind? Shuffling the leaves. Back inside before we die from tropical storm Logan Schultz. Ow! Close my foot in the door. Lock the door so tropical storm doesn't get inside.
Preparing step 2. Lock your doors.
Preparing step 3. Back up the stairs.
Step 4. Turn off all electricity.
Step 5. Get something to eat. You can't see anything because... Dominoes.
Step 5.
Step 5 is Dominoes.
Each one of these right here.
Right there, cinnamon sticks. Because there is 5 in the box. So it is step 5. Look, it is 11:29. That was... We started videotaping 7 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago.
It says you're dumb.
Oh no! Kitty on the floor.
I want to
Oh, we have Sprite.
Oh.
What is this? Is this Hurricane Tropical Storm Logan Schultz party time?
No.
Okay. What do we have here?
Jello.
You guys want some Jello?
You're still recording the contents of my fridge.
I am not.
I'm not recording contents of your refrigerator.
Why? Look at her crazy dying cat. He does. Oh. He is 27 years old. He's dying. Meow. Meow. He's having a seizure. Oh, a seizure.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what Logan has. She has got some things.
On the wing.
Let's see what she's got in her cupboard. She's got Hello Kitty snacks, Munch Pucks. She's got some Soy Joy. Never tasted that before, don't want to. She's got some Easy Mark. She's got some A1 stick sauce. All the contents that we need for a tropical storm. We need A1 steak sauce. Oh no! Tropical storm! Oh no!
I'm going in my mouth. That's really hot.
What's
I'm
all
not very good
those? All those step 5?
Mhm.
Are they? Are you sure? No?
I don't want
I think it's about time we end our documentary numero uno.
1. This is Logan Schultz. I almost forgot my last name. Reporting from the heart of the tropical storm.